Good day guys and welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Ademola Badmus. If this is your first time, please do not forget to like and subscribe. So in this video, as a continuation to the previous video, we will build an iOS for a simulator. So let's get right into it. So all we need to do is we'll run this command now. Build hold on a minute. So we'll build build iOS this time around, and we do this. Remember that when I showed us this, the Xcode, it has no simulator. So how do we fix that? Let's first run into the expected error. So if I'm going to do this, because the particular project doesn't have a simulator in its scheme, it will probably run into some errors. And when it does that, you will find a way around it. And if it doesn't, that means we are lucky. But there's a high chance that it should, because it should be looking for a simulator on the project. Like I said, it says it's unable to find destination matching the provided specifier, which is a simulator. And as you can see, it says the runner scheme doesn't have it. So what do? We come into the project Xcode. In the runner scheme here, we click on edit scheme first, if we can add it from there, but most likely not. So what do? We can try to go here, and inside here we have the runner. So what can we do? We can create a new runner instead, then delete this one. So the new runner will have the actual device because it's the default there. Then it can also have the simulator. So I'm going to go back, click on runner, click on new scheme. It's a runner, right? Now the name here, I will call it runner 1, right? First I'll call it runner 1. Now if we check runner 1 now, we'll see that we have all that we need. But runner 1 will still fail because what the project understands is runner. So we'll go to edit schemes. We'll go to manage schemes. So let's go to manage schemes, and on this one we will delete it, and this one here we are going to edit it. Where's the name? Info arguments. So if we can't see the name, let's just recreate a runner. Let's create a new runner and call that one a runner itself. So we just create runner and call this one runner, so it becomes the main one. So we can go back, because we don't need a duplicate, so we can go back into managing schemes, scroll to where runner 1 is, select runner 1 and remove runner 1 from it. So all we have left is this runner, and if we come back here now, you can see there's only one runner that we have, and this runner 2 also have simulators. So with that done, I think we are good to go. So let's try to run our command again and see what happens this time. As you can see, it has successfully created it. So this time around, if we check the iPhone, we can see an iPhone simulator and a runner app. So let's check iOS. You can see iPhone simulator and runner app, so which means we are good to go for the both of them. So this brings us to the end of this video, and in the next video, which might actually be the final, okay, it won't be the final video. In the next video, we will now start to create our tests. Now, unlike the previous playlist that I did, I had to create a separate project for that. I'm going to continue to create everything inside this project, and it's okay. It will still work. It's okay. I only did it that way so that we can have clarity of what we are doing, but I want to assume that you have watched the previous videos, you understand how it works. So seeing a project inside this project would not, seeing a folder inside this project would not really cause an alarm for you, because you all know that rather than just have a separate project, I'm just having it inside, and that is all. So thank you for watching, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.